A devoted father hoping to help the lives of others. John Stooke has experienced the devastating impact of mental health problems firsthand after losing 2 of his children. His son Corrie died in 2003 after struggling with chronic anxiety, which led him to fall into drug addiction.
I was trying to treat the symptoms without really understanding the cause. And he went out one night and said he got £10 to go over the pub. I said yes. And he never came back. We got a message 2 days later to say there was a body in the mortuary. They didn't know who it was and they thought it might be him.
Kelly was a mother of 2 children, a journalist and local radio presenter. In 2019, she took her own life. 5 months ago, John started a charity, the Kelly Foundation, in her name and both of their memories. The organisation aims to provide a holistic approach to help people avoid reaching crisis point.
Between that 10 minutes at a GP and the other end of the scale, where you're talking about intervention by crisis teams, you're talking about hospitalisations.
The charity already has a large number of clients and a waiting list. They say their inbox is full and they receive new referrals every day. The latest figures show the number of recorded suicides in Swindon was at its highest point since records began. Emma Rees has worked in mental health services for more than a decade and says she's seen a dramatic increase in the number of people struggling. She says the charity provides practical support to deal with the issues affecting people's lives.
If somebody came in through the door that has got an alcohol addiction, which has then got a knock-on effect with their mental health and their home life and their spiralling debt, we would help them with every aspect of that. So we wouldn't just help with mental health and then allow other organisations to help with the rest of it. We help with absolutely everything from start to finish.
John says his daughter would be proud.
Maybe if she could see, who knows. She always kind of thought she could help other people with their black thoughts, but when she was struggling herself, and despite the mask, she struggled. But she'd like this. She'd be in favour, definitely.
A father on a mission to make sure that people in Swindon are not struggling in silence. Annie Nolson, ITV News, Swindon.